SaveMax Auto Insurance Review. Legit or scam? Today, I tested it out and here's what happened, and whether this service is actually a reliable way to get car insurance or something you should be careful about. Starting with how it works, SaveMax Auto Insurance doesn't act like a traditional insurance company that provides coverage directly. Instead, it works as a service that helps you compare different insurance options. When you enter your details, it connects you with available providers so you can see different quotes in one place. This can save time because you don't have to visit multiple websites or contact companies one by one. The process itself is simple. You provide basic information about your vehicle and driving history, and then you're shown options that match your profile. From there, you can review the prices and coverage details before choosing what works best for you. This setup is useful if you're trying to find a better deal or lower your current insurance cost. One thing that stands out is the focus on affordability. The goal is to help users find lower rates by comparing multiple providers. Since insurance prices can vary a lot depending on your situation, having several options side by side makes it easier to spot a better offer. However, it's important to understand what you're actually signing up for. Since SaveMax connects you with third-party insurers, the final experience depends on the company you choose, not just the platform itself. This means you should still review the details of the policy carefully, including coverage limits and conditions, before making a decision. Another thing to keep in mind is communication. After submitting your information, you may receive follow-ups from insurance providers. This is part of how the service works, but it can feel overwhelming if you're not expecting it. Being aware of this helps you avoid confusion during the process. In terms of legitimacy, the service operates as a comparison platform rather than a direct insurer. That means it's not a scam, but it also doesn't replace the need to research the actual insurance company you end up choosing. The platform simply helps you get there faster. So if your goal is to explore options and potentially save money, this kind of service can be useful. It simplifies the search process and gives you a clearer view of what's available based on your needs. What matters most is how you use it. If you take the time to compare offers and read the details before committing, it can be a practical tool. But like any insurance decision, the final choice should be based on the coverage and reliability of the provider you select.